Hello friends. Today we will learn about tissues in a super simple way. Tissues are groups of similar cells that do the same job. Just like we form a team to play cricket, cells form a team called tissue to work in our body or in a plant. Glowing star, let's start with animal tissues. Animal tissues are divided into four main types. 1. Epithelial tissue. This is a covering tissue. It covers our body like skin and also lines organs like the stomach. There are different types like squamous, flat, like tiles on a floor, found in the lining of the lungs. Cuboidal, cube-like, found in kidneys. Columnar, tall, found in the intestine. It protects, absorbs, and even secretes substances. 2. Muscle tissue. This tissue helps us move. It is of three types: skeletal muscle attached to bones. We control it. Smooth muscle, found in internal organs like the stomach. Works on its own. Cardiac muscle, only found in the heart. Keeps beating on its own. 3. Connective tissue. This connects and supports the body parts. Examples: bone, strong and hard. Cartilage, soft and flexible, like your ear. Blood, a liquid tissue that carries oxygen and food. Tendons and ligaments help muscles and bones stay connected. 4. Nervous tissue. This tissue helps us think, feel, and react. It carries messages from the brain to the body and back. Like a telephone wire. Main cell is called a neuron. Seedling. Now let's talk about plant tissues. Plant tissues are of two types, meristematic and permanent. Herb meristematic tissue. These are young, growing tissues. Found at the tips of roots and shoots, they help the plant grow taller and roots go deeper. 4-leaf clover permanent tissue. These are fully grown tissues. They don't divide anymore. They are of two types, simple and complex. White heavy checkmark simple permanent tissue. Made of similar types of cells, parenchyma stores food and water. Chlorenchyma does photosynthesis. Erenchyma helps aquatic plants float. Collenchyma provides flexibility, like in leaf stalks. Sclerenchyma, thick and strong, like coconut shell. White heavy checkmark complex permanent tissue. Made of different types of cells, xylem carries water from roots to leaves. Phloem carries food from leaves to other parts. Both are super important for plant survival. So, friends, tissues are very helpful. In animals, they help us move, think, and stay strong. In plants, they help in growth, food making, and transport. Keep learning, stay curious, and we will explore more topics soon.